Hey my friends, this is Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about a saying that so many people make that is absolutely destructive to society. Before I get into it, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please hit that notification button because I have so many more videos coming your way. So please listen up. Okay, so this phrase that so many people say, I've heard it so many times, is it's not what you know, but it's who you know. My friends, I want you to understand how destructive this saying actually is. Because here's the truth. What you know will lead you to who you know. Now, let's say you met someone that is high up there, right? Like Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos, right? That's who you know. But if you don't know anything and how to communicate with this person, then it would mean nothing, right? If you talk to a multi-billionaire and you had nothing to say, then the relationship won't matter at all. So therefore, it's not who you know, it's what you know. Because what you know will eventually lead you to who you need to know. A lot of you need to understand that what you are learning right now will lead you to the people you need to connect with in the future. And to take this a step further, it's not about who you know, but it's about who knows you. Because the reality of things is that people are only going to be able to meet you if they know who you are. Now, I know what you might be thinking, right? Because if you're really listening, you might be saying, Daniel, you just said it's not about who you know, it's about who knows you. Well, what if someone is looking for you and you're their who? What do you do? Well, I'm glad you asked. The reason why I'm saying it's more important about who knows you is because so many people have been thinking for a long time it's about who they know. So if they think they have to know you, and you know that you have to be known, well, congratulations, because you just formed a new relationship. What I'm basically saying is very simple. All these people out there are thinking about who they need to know, but now you've understood that you're the person who needs to be known. Before, you were the best kept secret, and now you're realizing, okay, now I gotta get myself out there. Now that you're doing that, all these people who are searching for you will eventually find you, and now you can use them for your next opportunities. You see how this works? It's very easy, right? So let me conclude by saying this. It doesn't matter who you are if people don't know what you do. But if you develop enough relationships, people will know who you are, what you do, and how you can help them, and eventually they will tell other people too. That's how connecting works. My friends, this is Aldie. If you enjoyed this video, you will understand exactly what I'm saying, you will apply it, and you will pass it on to others. Please type yes in the comment section below if you plan to master the things that I shared with you today, and if you have any questions, please write me an email at info@danielalley.com. My friends, this is Aldie. I look forward to your success, I look forward to your prosperity, and I look forward to everything that you do for the rest of humanity. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.